There, it's your turn, George. Okay, I'll make it the block. There. Now it's your turn. Okay. Oh no! I knocked it down, and I hit my hiccup. Oh no! Oh no! The box fell down because baby Margaret is hiccups now. What should we do to put the hiccups away? I know. What about drinking water? Here's your water, baby Margaret. Thank you, Super Girlfriend. My drink. My hiccups are gone. Oh, it's not working. No. I know what to do. What about the speaker? Good idea. Let's put the loud music. Everybody, dance with the hiccups away! Wow! Put the hiccups away! Go Margaret! Go Margaret! Go Margaret! Put the hiccups away! Go Margaret! Go Margaret! Musical stop tunes. When the music stops, you will freeze. Wait, is your hiccups are gone? No, it didn't work. Oh man, baby Margaret hiccups is not working. Whoa! Because I can't move. So I'm out. I know what to do. What about baby Margaret and falling out to the sky? Right. Oh, like that? Yeah. And what about this? Can catch it? Good idea. I'm gonna take it to space. Good idea. Hey, oh my God, the rocket ship. Okay, baby Margaret, I'm gonna count to 3 and you jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Ah! Keep going, baby Margaret. You're almost there. Here she is. Wait, I think it's up in the sky. It's baby Margaret. I'm coming down. Whoa! Wow, that was a fun ride. I think your hiccups are gone. Is it the hiccups are gone? Really? Really? Let's see. I can't stop. Wow, baby Margaret, the hiccups are allowed because they're too loud. What should we do? Okay, George. Think. I know. What about scary stories? About scaring a baby Margaret and put the hiccups away. And on my builder blog and scare baby Margaret and knock it down. Whoosh! Whoosh! Boo! Good idea! Okay guys, now it's time to knock it down and scare baby Margaret. We will count to 3, we will knock it down. 1, 2, 3, 4! No! Wait, isn't the hiccup song gone? Well, I think so. Hey, my hiccups are gone! Wow! We did it, guys! She got the hiccups away! Excellent! Congratulations, boys! Now she got the hiccups away. And now it's time. Oh no! I got hiccups too! Please subscribe! Bye-bye!